Good morning, everyone. My name is Bharadwaj Siddhala. We are from Team 5. Thank you for joining us today for this presentation on the CarHub, that is, Car Management System Project Status Report. In this presentation, we will provide a comprehensive overview of the project progress, including its goals, objectives, milestones, challenges, and future plans. We will also discuss the project impact on the business and the benefits it will bring to the customers. We hope you will find the presentation informative and engaging. Yeah, this slide provides an overview of the status of the three CarHub project status reports. As you can see, all three reports are on track to be completed on time and within the budget. CarHub project status report 3 is the most advanced project with a progress of 95%. CarHub project status report 2 is slightly behind with a progress of 90%. CarHub project status report 1 is the least advanced with a progress of 75%. We are confident that all three reports will be completed successfully. The Car Hub project is a comprehensive initiative to develop an innovative online platform for buying and selling used cars. The project aims to revolutionize the car buying experience by providing a user friendly interface, comprehensive vehicle listings, and seamless transaction processes. There are some key features of the Car Hub system include. They are a searchable database of used car with detailed descriptions, images, and pricing information, and secure online payment gateway for easy and secure transactions. Integrated communication channels for buyers and sellers to connect and negotiate. Advanced search and filtering options to help users find the perfect car. Comprehensive user profiles and reviews to build trust and transparency. The project is currently in the development phase and it is making significant progress towards meeting the objectives. The team is committed to delivering a high quality will meet the needs of both buyers and sellers. The project aims to address the challenges faced by car dealerships and provide them with a comprehensive solution that will help the automate their operations, enhance the customer experiences, improve efficiency, and expand their market reach. The project has several specific objectives which are focused on developing a user-friendly and feature-rich web application that will streamline car listings, manage leads to effectively, and provide a seamless user experience for both dealers and customers. The project scope encompasses the development of feature-rich web applications that will streamline car dealership operations and enhance customer experiences. Car listing management, a user-friendly interface for dealers to create, edit, and manage car listings, including detailed descriptions, specification, and high-quality images. Lead management system, a robust lead management system to capture, track, and nurture customer injuries, enabling dealers to follow up promptly and efficiently. User-friendly interface, an intuitive and user-friendly interface for both dealers and customers, ensuring ease of use and a seamless experience throughout the car buying processes. Payment gateway integration. Integration with a secure payment. I mean, Integration is a secure payment gateway to facilitate online transactions and enable customer to make secure payments for car purchases or services. Video chat support. Implementation of video chat functionality to provide dealers and customers with a real-time communications channel, enhancing customer engagement and facilitating virtual car inspections. The project deliverables include the full functional web application, comprehensive user documentation, and deployment and support services. Fully functional CarHub web application, a comprehensive web application incorporating all the specified feature and functionalities. Comprehensive user documentation, detailed user manuals, and training materials for both dealers and customers, ensuring smooth adoption and usage of the web application. Deployment and support, deployment of the web application to the production environment, and ongoing technical support to address any issues or enhancements. And the next slides will be continued by my friends.
Okay, coming to project timeline and milestones. The project timeline outlines the phases of the project and their respective durations. The CarHub project follows a structured timeline with clearly defined milestones to ensure timely completion and adherence to the project plan. The timeline encompasses the following phases, which was phase 1 is project planning and requirements gathering, where we finalize the chapter projects and the requirements documents completed and a project plan approved. Coming to the phase 2, system design and development, system architecture finalized, database schema developed, core functionalities implemented, and user phase design was completed. Coming to the phase 3, testing and integration, we have completed the testing of units and integration testing completed, and system deployment plan finalized, user acceptance testing completed. The phase 4, deployment and maintenance, system deployed to production environment, user training conducted, ongoing maintenance and support provided. Throughout the project life cycle, key milestones have been identified to mark significant progress and ensure adherence to the timeline. The CarHub project operates with a defined budget to ensure cost-effective deployment and implementation. The budget encompasses the various expenses. This slide provides an overview of the project's budget and resource management strategies. The project has a total allocated budget of $500,000, encompassing various expense categories. The project team has implemented effective resource management strategies to ensure efficient utilization of resources and adherence to the budget. The project is currently within the allocated budget with a remaining budget of approximately $100,000. The project team effectively manages resources to ensure optimal utilization and cost efficiency. The project team effectively allocates resource based on skills, prioritizes tasks, and continuously monitors resource utilization to ensure project success within budget constraints. The CarHub project team comprises a diverse group of skilled professionals with expertise in various areas, including software development, testing, project management, and business analysis. The team's structure ensures efficient resource allocation and effective collaboration to achieve the project objectives. This positive budget status is attributed to effective resource management, careful planning, and a commitment to cost optimization.
Good morning, Professor. This is Tiruvathirav Shravanam. In this slide, we focus on projects, risk identification, and mitigation strategies. The project team has proactively identified potential risks that could impact the project success. The CarHub project team has proactively identified and assessed potential risks that could impact the project success. These risks include technical challenges like unforeseen technical complexities or challenges during development and integration, schedule delays, unexpected delays in tasks completion or resource availability, and budget overruns like exceeding the allocated budget due to unforeseen expenses or changes, and change management risk like difficulty in managing and implementing changes to project requirements or scope, and stakeholder engagement like maintaining effective communication and engaging with stakeholders throughout the project. To address these risks, the team has implemented appropriate mitigation strategies to minimize the impact. By proactively identifying and mitigating risk, the project team is taking steps to ensure the project success within the defined scope, budget, and timeline. To address these identified risks, the project team has implemented appropriate mitigation strategies like technical expertise, like assembled a team with relevant technical expertise to handle complex technical challenges, and detailed planning, like we created a comprehensive project plan with clear timelines and milestones to minimize delays, and cost monitoring, like we regularly monitored project expenses and taking proactive measures to prevent budget overruns, and change control process, like we established a structured change control process to manage and evaluate proposed changes effectively, and stakeholder communication plan, Like we developed a communication plan to keep stakeholders informed and engaged throughout the project. This slide includes the project team and their respective roles and responsibilities. The team comprise a diverse group of professionals with expertise in various areas, ensuring comprehensive coverage of project needs. Each team member played a crucial role in project success, from planning and development and testing and documentation. The team's collaboration and expertise are essential for developing a high quality and successful CarHub web application. This slide provides an overview of project's current status and progress. The project is on track and to meet its objectives and is expected to be completed on schedule. The team has made significant progress in all areas of the project and has overcome challenges effectively. The team has developed a set of future plans to enhance the CarHub web application and continue to provide all its users. Yeah, this will be explained by my friends.
Good morning, everyone. This is Fani. So I'm explaining the testing phase. So we perform several kind of testing. So for example, unit testing, integration testing, user acceptance testing, performance testing, and security testing. In unit testing, we did the purpose of unit testing to test individual units or components for a software application in isolation, and also for integration testing, what we did is to verify different units or components of a software system which work together seamlessly when integrated. And the scope of integration testing involves testing interactions between integrated components and to detect interface defects. And also we perform UAT testing, which is to evaluate whether software meets the specified requirements and is acceptable to end users. And by use of this, the scope involves testing the entire system to ensure whether it behaves as expected in real world environment. And also we perform the performance testing and security testing. The purpose of this testing is to access the responsive speed and overall performance of a software and application under various conditions. And in security testing, so the scope is to test for the potential security risks such as unauthorized access data, breaches, and other security threats. Yeah. And also we perform some UAT testing, like the purpose, the planning, the process, and the tools. So these are the tools which we used in the UAT testing, which is testing frameworks, user testing tools, documentation tools, and the matrices. So user satisfaction and usability and adoption rate. And in the process, like the purpose is to the reason or objective behind a particular action or process. And also in the process, in software development, various process such as document development, testing, deployment are followed to create and deliver high quality software product. And in planning, so the process and the planning, the process of outlining what needs to be done and when and by what to achieve by specific goals. And in execution, the act of carrying out or performing a plan is a set of tasks. And in documentation, in software development, documentation includes requirements, design specification, code comments, and other artifacts to provide a reference for understanding. So, and also the other parts, which are major important parts, which is feedback and iteration. In feedback, in software development, feedback can come from various sources such as users, stakeholders, or automated testing, and valuable for improving the product. And iteration, in software development, the iteration process such as agile methodologies involves repeating development cycles to enhance the software based on feedback and changing the requirements. Yeah, can you move to the next slide? In development approach, these are the key development activities, and these are the key development tools and technologies which we have used. In key development activities, the major concern is the major activities are requirement allocation and analysis, system architecture and design, database design and implementation, front-end development and back-end development. And in the and the, and in the development tools and technologies, we use these technologies which we are developing. The programming languages which are used as C, Java, and Python, and in development frameworks, database management systems, and testing tools, and version control systems. Next slide. And in deployment and implementation phases, deployment strategies such as staging environment setup, thorough testing in staging, production environment preparation, application deployment, and post-application deployment monitoring and implementation plans. We use user training, documentation, and support materials, ongoing maintenance and support. And in project, next slide. So in project evaluation and matrices, the evaluation, user adaptation, the usage of the system and the system usage, lead generation and conversion, dealer satisfaction, customer satisfaction, return on investment, and the in metrics, application usage metrics, lead management system data, user surveys and feedback forms, and key performance indicators. Yeah. Next slide will be continued by one of my teammates. Thank you.
Coming to project impact, the CarHub web application is expected to have a significant impact on the car dealership industry, bringing about the following benefits: increased operational efficiency, enhanced customer experience, expanded market reach, improved customer satisfaction, increased operational efficiency. Dealers will experience improved efficiency in managing car listings, leads, and customer interactions. Enhanced customer experience. Customers will enjoy a seamless car buying process with convenient online tools and features. Expanded market reach. Dealers will gain the ability to reach a wider audience through online car listings and lead management functionalities. Improved customer satisfaction. Enhanced customer experience will lead to increased satisfaction and customer loyalty. Next slide. Throughout the CarHub project, the team has gained valuable insights and lessons that will be applied to future projects. These lessons include the importance of early and continuous stakeholders engagement. Keeping stakeholders informed and involved throughout the project life cycles ensures alignment of goals, reduces surprises, and facilitates the timely decision making. The value of iterative development and testing. Adopting an agile approach with frequent testing cycles allows for early identification and resolution of issues, improving overall system quality and reducing the risk of costly rework. The necessity of comprehensive user documentation and training. Providing clear and well-structured documentation and training materials is crucial for users' adoption, ensuring that dealers and customers can effectively utilize the system's functionalities. The effectiveness of a data-driven approach to project improvement. Continuously collecting and analyzing data on system usage, user feedback, and performance metrics provides valuable insights for identifying areas for improvement and optimizing the system's effectiveness. Coming to recommendations, based on the lessons, the recommendations of the following practices for future projects continue to gather user feedback. Even after the project is deployed, it is important to continue to gather user feedback in order to identify areas for improvement. Invest in training and documentation. Training and documentation will help users to learn how to use the system effectively and will reduce the need for support calls. Monitor the system's performance. Regularly monitor the system performance to identify and resolve any issues that may arise. Be prepared to adapt to changing needs. As the needs of the business change, it is important to be prepared to adapt the system accordingly. Coming to future prospects. Integration with additional automotive services. Integrating with third-party services such as insurance providers and financing options to provide a more comprehensive car buying experience. Mobile application development. Developing a mobile application to provide users with convenient access to car listings and lead management and customer support. Expansion into the international markets. Adapting the web application to cater to international audience and expand the project reach beyond local markets. Thank you.